Hey there, tired of dealing with stubborn hair and painful waxing sessions? You're in the right place. Waxing can be tricky, but don't worry. I'm about to share some pro tips to make it easier, less painful, and super effective. And make sure you stick around till the end because I've got a secret hack that will instantly calm irritated skin. First things first, exfoliate. Gently scrubbing your skin 24 to 48 hours before waxing removes dead skin cells and helps the wax grip better. Hair length matters. If it's too short, the wax won't grab it. Too long, ouch. The sweet spot is about a 1/4 inch. Skip the lotion. Oils and moisturizers make it harder for wax to stick. Keep your skin clean and dry for the best results. Apply pressure. The second you rip off the wax strip, press down on the area with your hand. This helps calm the sting instantly. Technique is everything. Always apply wax in the direction of hair growth and pull it off in the opposite direction in one quick motion. No sunbathing. Your skin is extra sensitive, so avoid direct sunlight for at least 24 hours. Soothe the burn. Apply aloe vera, witch hazel, or a cold compress to calm redness and irritation. Prevent those annoying ingrown hairs. Start exfoliating again after 2 to 3 days and keep your skin moistured. And that's it. Follow these hacks and waxing will be way easier and way less painful. Got your own tips? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more beauty skincare hacks. See you in the next one.